Hey there, Kimmy. I have been looking over your ad and I really, really love it. I think the typography makes a very big difference. I love how you have that carrot with the red writing coming up out of it, the kind of gradual color gradation around the toilet to darker down at the bottom looks really good. I would probably, I feel like something weird is happening with this quotation mark. Or apostrophe, I mean, I would probably, if this is actually a part of the type, and sometimes they do weird things, I might actually just use a different font and create an apostrophe in a different text box, and then pull it down so it's a little bit further down in here. It feels awkward that it's so high to me. And the period maybe even looks a little bit weird too. So you might have had a situation where punctuation isn't, maybe you downloaded a nice font, but they did something with the punctuation in the font, in the typeface selections. So that might make these not stand out as much. Another thing I wanted to tell you is I love this down here. It's really funny. I think this is a comma. It would be fine to make it a period, and then if you do that, just have this be an A. Pick up in a local, yeah, because I think this is a complete sentence. So make sure this A is capitalized. Then for your Facebook ad, you're a little bit too close to the edge. I know you're probably working, trying to get everything to fit in here, but still we want to maintain at least a bit of a gutter between where the edge of these things end and the edge of your ad is. I am fine if you want to condense this section to one line. You could say, for a toilet almost clean enough to swim in, available at your local store. Okay, it's because you do want to make sure it's still legible. That's one of the most important kind of aspects of reformatting for a Facebook ad. And so this is technically legible. Actually, I just made it bigger. So with my computer at the right, let's see, probably this size is what it would be like printing, which is still legible to me, but is probably too small for an ad that size online. And so I would probably switch this up. I won't dock you any points for not having your 1 to 2 sentences of body copy, because you still pretty much have that, and you have your call to action. So that's good. But yeah, you're heading in the right direction. It's looking really good. I would just size it maybe this a little bit smaller. I think it's going to have to be. You could make the logo a little bit bigger to balance out kind of removing some of this. Okay, but it's looking really, really nice. It's really fun. I'm glad you decided to go with this one. If I saw this in a magazine, for sure I would look at it twice and it would make me laugh. All right, so great job.